guys, welcome to Chairs and Benches. Woo! I'm Nayoka, and as you guys can see from the title, I'll be doing a what's in my hospital bag video. I'm in my 40th week of pregnancy. Baby girl is late and I'm still recording for you guys, so zoom in a little bit. Come here. I need you guys to subscribe because I'm even putting in the work. Everybody who has been pregnant knows that at this point of your pregnancy, you are over it. If your baby's overdue, you're not trying to do anything. So let's jump right into the video.
Oh, you're so nice. Oh, you're so nice. Oh, you're so nice. Oh, you're so nice.
So we all know that it is COVID time now. So these bags are the best kind of bags for this kind of environment, and I have my hand sanitizer so I could actually, sanitize my bag. So it's best to have like a suitcase that's plastic, so that way you guys can keep yourself and baby stuff clean. I think I'll start off with the baby stuff first because I feel like that's more fun. This is actually my diaper bag. Big up Adidas. I love Adidas. But this is the bag that I'll be using for my diaper bag for both of my kids. I have 2 daughters, so I'll be using this bag so you get the whole girl vibe. I'm bringing this for baby number 2, and this is what I'll be using for all the stuff that she'll be needing. Alright, so the first thing that I should let you guys know is at the hospital here in Canada, I'm in Canada, they do give you a lot of things for your baby, and I'm not gonna take too much of my personal stuff. I'm gonna use everything that the hospital gives me. Most of the things I'm bringing will be for pictures, photos, but anything that might get dirty or soiled or puked or pooed is gonna be the hospital stuff, not my stuff. So I'm bringing 2 blankets and burp cloths. But as I told you guys before, the hospital give us, those hospital blanket type stuff. I'll be using those as much as possible and get those soiled. The next thing that I'll be bringing is this essential kit, I think it's called. Yes, I'll be bringing this baby essential kit. I put everything on one side, and sometimes the hospital give us like additional stuff, like vitamins for the baby, stuff like that, so I'll put them on this side. But the main important thing that I think you guys will need is this. Sometimes your baby is born with long fingernails and they scratch themselves a lot, so I'll be using this as soon as I notice that, because I don't want her to mess her face out. I will be bringing 4 diapers. The hospital here provides a lot of diaper, a lot of formulas. They provide a hospital grade breast pump, the whole works. But I'll be bringing 4 of these and a wipe, just because sometimes the hospital gets busy, and if there's a lot of emergency happening at the same time, the nurse might not be able to respond to my call bell as soon as possible. So I'll just have these as a backup, but I'll most definitely be using the hospital stuff. They'll be giving me a lot of stuff, so I'm not bringing my personal stuff there. But this is just like a backup emergency, just in case the nurse is not responding in good timing. The next thing I'll be bringing are hats, and this is really important. The hospital gives us that too, but you might want your own for cute pictures. But this is really, really important for a newborn because it regulates their body temperature. They can't be too cold, like they just came out of your warm womb, so they really need to be kept warm, so you need these. Next, you guys need cute little baby socks. I mean, oh my god, newborn stuff is so cute. I cannot, I'm so ready to see her in these. But you need socks, same reason, to regulate the body temperature. The hospital don't give you socks, so make sure you have your own. And mittens. Most newborns are born with long fingernails because they've been growing and glowing in your belly, so make sure you have mittens. My baby number 1 actually used to, she really used this when she was just born because her hands were all over her face. And then bibs. If you guys want to know where I buy my stuff, you guys can comment down below and I could tell you guys the plug. But yeah, these are nice little ones for newborns because they're so tiny when they're born. Oh, these binkies or soothers. This helps babies to feel relaxed. Some babies like them, some babies don't. And sometimes you kind of have to buy different types to figure out which type your baby likes. So I have a bunch of different types here because I bought the ones that baby number 1 liked, and then I bought another one just in case, she has a different preference. All right, so yeah, I'm not bringing a lot of clothes for a baby. because I believe in skin to skin early on in the baby's life, and they promote it a lot here in Canada as well. So most times when she is at the hospital, she'll be on my chest. But I'll be bringing a few outfits just for pictures, or if someone comes to visit, which, you know, there's limitations on that due to COVID. So her go home outfit, so I have this nice cute outfit. I'll show you guys a better picture soon. And it comes with this nice cute headbands. This will be for pictures because she will need to have her hat on her head. But I find this outfit so cute. And then there's this monkey suit for layering up because we're in Canada, it's October, it's cold. So yeah, she's gonna need to be well layered. But this whole outfit is everything for me right now. I can't wait to see her in it, and it's newborn size. My babies seem to be smaller. Like Sky, when she was born, she was around 7 pounds, and the doctors are estimating that this baby will be around the same size. So I'm bringing only newborn size, and when she gets home she could wear 0 to 3 months. And then there's another cute outfit that she might come home in. So you guys look at these socks. I'll show you guys good pictures, but yeah, this is the outfit that she might come home in. So this one or the other one. And also mommy tip is that for newborns, I find that these onesies are the best because, you know, they have their umbilical cord thingy still hanging, and I feel like this type of onesie, it does not irritate the belly button as much. So baby number one used these, and I bought a couple of these so that way she could feel comfortable. Yeah, so I do have a couple of them in different colors. And this is one, I actually have 1 0 to 3 months just in case she surprised me, and she's bigger, so this is the one outfit she'll be wearing if she's actually bigger than a newborn size. But I doubt it. I'm carrying really small, so I think she'll be fit. I think she'll fit in a newborn size. So the next thing that you'll need for your baby is your car seat. In Canada, you're not allowed to leave the hospital without a car seat. So this is something that is super necessary. I will be bringing this car seat that I have here, and your car seat will have to meet a certain requirement. So you have to make sure that your car seat is pretty much new or within a certain lifespan. So make sure that your car seat is up to date. So I'll be using this blanket. Canada is really cold right now, so I'll be using this blanket over her if it's too cold. And I also had, from baby number one, I had a car seat cover. I think this was so cute. So just to give her extra protection, all I pretty much have to do is just slip this over like so. Yeah, so if you don't want nobody looking at your baby or trying to touch your baby, and you want to give your baby extra protection, you can just, you know, cover your baby. Simple. So I'm done with the baby stuff. I think that's the best part, so I'm kind of sad. But for the labor, I'm actually stealing her bag, and I'm gonna put a little bit of things in here for me, so that way it's easy to reach and Shaun knows exactly where to find it. But for labor, nothing too fancy, but I'll be having a notebook to document. I'm gonna try to give you guys my labor story, but as you guys know, if you're high on medications and if you are in so much pain and so much is going on so fast, so quickly, it can happen fast, it can happen slow, but most of the times you don't remember everything. So I'll be documenting and writing down stuff if I have the chance to, so that way I'll be giving you guys like an accurate feel of what really happened. While you're in labor, you're not allowed to eat, and some labors last really long, so I'm gonna ask Shaun to sneak some of this. I might not eat too much because he shouldn't eat anything at all except ice chips, but I'll see if I'm really dry, I'll just suck on one of these lifesavers and I sneak it in this bag so Shaun can just, you know, grab one and give me if I'm actually dying. And I have the hand sanitizer. I want this close by too. And this, my lip gloss. I don't really wear lipstick or lip balm. I really wear just lip gloss. But you get really dry when you're in labor, like your lips get really cracked, it gets chippy, and it's gross. But I think I really want Shaun to know exactly where this is, because if I'm not eating, I'm breathing. You have to be breathing, having all these kind of breathing techniques, and your lips tend to dry out. So I'll be needing this while I'm in labor, when I'm actually in the labor process. You guys know the charger. I got a really long charger. You guys get the picture. I got a really long charger because when you're in the hospital, sometimes the plugs are not close to the bed, so you need to have your chargers close by, and your phone will be going on red because everybody's calling, everybody's texting, and if you are having a long labor, you might be on your phone and you might be recording, because I'll be recording for you guys. So I need to make sure this is really close and does not come out of my bag, because this needs to go with me. So, and my headphones. So I'm just using her bag to just sneak these things in the side, so that way Shaun knows exactly where it is. So that's a little fun tip that you guys can use while you're in labor. So now it's mommy time. Oh, and if any of you guys think I'm forgetting anything for baby while I'm at this part of the video, go ahead and comment down below, because it's so much things to remember. So if you guys think there's something that I'm missing for baby thus far, just comment down below and let me know. All right, so the first thing I'm packing for mommy, I'm actually using it right now, is a blankie. Most people try to bring stuff that from home so you feel a little bit more comfortable, because after labor you feel really annoyed and grossed out and everything, and it's quite cold in the hospital. You keep asking for more sheets, more blankets, but they never seem to help. So I'm bringing this one so I feel more comfortable. The next thing I'll be bringing is an old flip-flop. So when you're in the shower in the hospital, most people don't want their feet to touch the floor because it's gross. So it's good to have a flip-flop that is plastic, something that can get wet, and while you're having a shower you'll be in your flip-flops. The next thing that I'll be using is a water bottle. You'll be really dehydrated after you have a baby. If you can get one with the spout, because most likely you probably won't be able to move your body as you would like. So it's good to just have something that you can use while you're in a laying position, because sis, yeah, when you get there you'll find out. The next thing that you'll need is nursing bras. Okay, so if you're planning on breastfeeding, you're gonna need these. Pretty much it just gives you easy access to breastfeed without exposing yourself. Basically, you could just unsnap it and then you could just nurse your baby while you're still being covered somewhat. You're gonna see a theme of black here, all black everything for labor for me. And then I have a peri bottle. So anybody that knows what this is for your peri care for your mummies. Like when you're using the washroom after you have a baby, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. And I see a lot of mummies online suggested that this bottle makes it much easier. In the hospital they do give you a bottle, but it's very straight and it's awkward and it's hard to use. This one is angled perfectly for its use. If you know, you know. I don't want to get too graphic. More things for peri-care is sanitary wear. The hospital here provides pads and Depends or whatever you need for your stay there, but same reason that I said earlier about the diapers for the baby, just in case the nurse is busy and you just happen to run out and you need it immediately. It's good to just have your own stuff. I'm not carrying too much because I'm using whatever the hospital gave me. And also, some people have a leaky breast. I noticed that a lot of moms did not mention this, but they didn't carry nipple pads. So I would suggest that if you have a high flow, or you might not know if you're a first time mom what your flow will be like, I suggest you bring pads for your nipples, just in case you're leaking and it makes you feel even more yucky. I don't think the hospital provided those, so be sure to have those. I have a little baggie here just for underwears, all black everything again. Not being too colorful here, and it's a granny panties, so you don't know how that goes, so that way everything can, you know, fit. Another thing that I've seen a lot of people online suggested for peri-care to make you feel more comfortable after you have delivered your baby is dermoplast. In Canada here, I don't think they gave me this the last time. Canada is very strict when it comes on to certain products, but I went ahead and I purchased this because I noticed a lot of moms in America said that this really helped with the pain, burn, and itch. So I bought my own and I'm gonna bring it and see if it helps. I'm bringing a black towel as well only because I'm a firm believer of using whatever the hospital provides because it's sanitary, it's clean, and you don't want to bring a bunch of dirty stuff home. I don't see why. But the towels in the hospital are quite small, and sometimes when there's a visitor or a nurse or a doctor, if somebody comes in your hospital room and you're in the washroom, the towel that they provide might not cover you completely. So I'm bringing my own towel just because it can actually fit around my body, and it's black, you know. You could guess why it's black, but it's gonna be black. And I'm also bringing, I got this off Amazon, and it is a postpartum belly belt. I'm probably not gonna use this in the first day, but if I'm in the hospital longer than I want to be, I might use this to engage my core, not necessarily for the looks of it, but after you have a baby, you're very weak, your core is very weak. Your posture is very poor, so I feel like this might help me to kind of, you know, get everything back in place. The last time with Sky, I was in the hospital longer than I needed to be. I might give you guys a story time if you guys are interested about my labor journey then, but I'm just preparing myself that if I'm there for a longer time, I would use this. If I'm home early, then I'll use this when I'm home. And other than pericare, you need to take care of yourself. I shower when I'm in the hospital. Some people don't like to take a shower when they're in the hospital, but I do the basic shower. I don't wash my hair or any of that, but I do take a shower as often as I can because it just helps me to feel better. So I'll have, like, you know, regular hygiene stuff. So like I'm taking my deodorant, toothpaste, nothing too extra like shampoo or nothing like that, and lotion, hand cream. So I'll be taking the basic stuff for a shower. I'll be taking my own toothbrush. My friend here that owns this company, Bailey, she gave me this in my baby shower, and I'm taking this for a little fragrance. Canada is scent free, but you know, you want to smell good, you want to feel good, you want to feel like your normal self. So I'm taking a little fragrance. Hopefully they don't kill me for it. This is nipple cream, and they suggest that you use this before you even go in labor because if you're breastfeeding, it might crack, it might hurt. So you need to be moisturizing your nipples often, so this is needed. They'll be teaching me how to breastfeed, and it's just gonna be very irritated, so I'll be using this a lot. And then hand cream, and I have another bottle of sanitizer again, just to make sure, you know, everything is staying clean. Alright, so this is something I didn't have for baby number one, but you know, world has changed. I am actually gonna have 2 masks, the cloth ones, and then I'll be taking some of these types. So maybe if I have visitors and they somewhat forget to bring their mask, I'll give them this because newborn baby, visitors, you know how it goes. Better safe than sorry. I'm not being pyro here. The next thing that I'll be bringing is my makeup bag. I already have this to go makeup bag already prepped, so I only put the essential stuff that I used to do a basic face. With baby number one, I did not feel like wearing makeup, but I'm not sure if I'll feel like wearing makeup this time because every labor experience is different. Plus I might vlog it for you guys. I want to look cute and feel good, and I'm bringing a little mirror of it just for the same reason, where I might not be able to walk to the washroom or move around too much. So if I'm doing my makeup, I'll be doing it in the comfort of the bed. So I'm having the mirror, the makeup, look a little bit goodish. Next thing that you guys need are snacks. So I'm just taking a couple snacks in here for me and Shaun. So not too much because I'm not really a snack eater, but just in case I'm super hungry and the hospital food is not really up to par, I have a snack just in case my appetite is kind of off. So I have some snacks. And for clothes, I'm not going to show you guys all my clothes, but it's really loose clothes, black preferably. There's only one outfit that has color, but everything is loose, black, a black dress, like everything is just super black. You might see it in the vlog, so stay tuned for the vlog, but I only have one pajama set that has colors just in case I want to feel like extra cute, and it's like loose, so that way nothing is hurting my body. And I might stay in the hospital gown to do skin to skin with baby, so I'm not gonna get dressed unless someone is actually visiting me, and when it's time to leave, I'm gonna try to give her as much as mommy comfort as I can. I'm very minimalistic with this process because honestly most of the times you just bring too much things, you don't use half the things, so I'm just keeping it very simple so that way I actually remember to use the things that I actually brought. Oh, socks. And then the next thing that I'm bringing is socks. actually try to buy more black ones than anything else. So sometimes the hospital is super cold, so I just have a lot of pairs of socks that I'll wear to just make myself feel comfortable. And possibly if my feet are swelling, I might use them to kind of keep my feet compressed, because the last time my feet went this big. So some people bring compression stockings. I'll just use regular socks just to make sure, you know, my body is not like swelling up too much. Yeah, this is something else that I have, and it is a black robe. You guys could have predicted. So this is something I'll be using as well. It will make it easy to breastfeed, easy to do skin to skin as well. If I feel like coming out of the hospital gown, I could just wear this robe and feel cute, but still feel really comfortable. I don't want anything too tight on my body. This is the first time in life I don't want something tight on. That's when I'm giving birth. And the last thing that I'll be doing, let me go get it. Organize a box here. I'll be having a little treat box in my hospital room after I give birth and I have the baby. For all the nurses that will be helping me with baby, I'm gonna have a nice little treat box which says welcome baby Nova, and they have it on the snacks and chocolates and stuff like that. You guys can see what it is. So I have a variety of snacks, and I have extra stuff that I could refill this box, because I don't know how long I'll be staying in the hospital. But the healthcare professionals are working overtime during this time, and I feel like it's really good and really appreciated when you just do small gestures to show that you really appreciate them. Taking care of a mom that just gave birth is a lot of work, and I noticed that the last time, and I really want the nurses that are gonna be helping me and baby to feel special. So I'll be leaving this and telling them to help themselves to anything that they'll want. So I thought this is a cute little idea, and if you guys, I think this is an idea that you guys can look into too, because honestly, nurses are underrated right now. Alright guys, so I came to the end of this video. You guys have been requesting my baby hospital bag, so I just decided to do it for you guys since I'm overdue and I did not do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know if there's anything I'm forgetting, if there's anything that I mentioned that you guys really appreciated or I reminded you guys of. Yeah, and just send positive vibration while I wait on baby girl to arrive in this world, and eventually you guys could hear my labor story. If you guys are interested in baby content, let me know. But positive vibrations, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below anything I forgot, anything that you liked, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'm not pregnant. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I told you guys to subscribe. I don't know why you guys are not subscribing, but I really need you guys to subscribe. I'm really, really begging hard this time. Bye.